I am using this from quite some time. Let's discuss what I like most in it number-wise. Number 1. The RESTMO Garden Hose Nozzle is made from heavy-duty metal, ensuring durability and a long lifespan, even when exposed to harsh outdoor conditions. Number 2, it features 7 adjustable spray patterns, allowing users to choose from different water flow options, whether for gentle watering of plants or high-pressure washing. Number 3, the nozzle is equipped with a flow control lever, providing easy adjustment of water flow to suit various tasks, from light misting to powerful streams. Number 4, its ergonomic design includes a comfortable non-slip handle, offering a secure grip and reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Number 5, the nozzle's high-pressure spray capability makes it ideal for cleaning cars, pets, and outdoor surfaces, removing dirt and debris with ease. Number 6, it is compatible with most standard garden hoses, ensuring that it can be used with a wide variety of setups without needing additional adapters. Number 7, the nozzle's metal construction is corrosion-resistant, making it suitable for both hot and cold water use, enhancing its overall reliability. Number 8, the nozzle has a lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver and handle whether you're watering plants or washing your car. Number 9, its simple and intuitive design makes it easy for users of all ages to operate,